Good morning guys, or sorry, good afternoon. David here from Sunshine Acres, down at Digzilla checking out the stock range today and doing a walk around tour of each model. Right in front of me here we have the 380. It's a little powerhouse. It comes with the Honda motor. Its operating weight is 1,030 kilograms. Sorry, I have to have the folder because I can't remember all the specs on all the machines at once. The factory states its travel speed is 5.5 kilometers an hour, which is pretty standard for across the range of these smaller machines. We've got a triple stacked pump with a G5, and it's a gear pump. The pump brand is a Bifang again. I believe the flow rate on this is 43 litres per minute. It's quite a higher flow rate on the auxiliary. It's quite a little stout packed powerhouse, this guy. There's our Honda in here. To service it we need to remove these 8 screws, 8 bolts. Standard dashboard with a standard H pattern. We've got our fuel, our oil temperature and our hour meter. Our power cutoff over here. Again, like the other machines, the hard lines are protected here. We don't have a lot of hoses everywhere, they're nice short little runs. You can remove this side panel, which is a nice added feature, and there's some other additional service panels down here for getting at the gear for the gear drives. This one has the big 450mm auger on it, which will run quite well in reasonable soil. It has a very large, probably one of the larger radiators I have seen. Our motors come here. You can see we've got a series of hard lines, a large hydraulic tank, a decent sized battery. Again, the large hydraulic tank is important for heat soak. We've got our chain drives down there with essential gear in the middle. You can see just in there, there's essential gear. Very durable and dependable. Sorry, these ones actually only have the 2 drive motors, one each in the middle, so it's a constant speed. I really do like the size of this radiator. It's massive. It's a very easy machine to work on. The lifting cycle rate's quite impressive. It's a very solid machine. It comes standard with your counterweights at the rear and quite a heavy duty step. Fueling is down low, which can be a pain when using a jerry can. It could be a little low, but it's neither here nor there. And the wheels are standard. I believe you can get several different types of wheels. It can come with a turf wheel and some taller skinny wheels if you need to, like a tractor style wheel. I'll just show you the cycle rate and the travel speed. Quite a zippy little beast. And the lift rate is a little bit faster than the T800. The tilt rate's quite controlled, which is good. This machine would be ideal for the small contractor or home user who wants to put out quite a bit of work, who needs quite a robust, strong machine. I'd consider this to have a duty cycle. You'd be able to use this, 4 to 8 hours a day if you wanted. Say you took some holidays off and you really wanted to hook into your projects over the weekend or over the 2 weeks that you took off work, you'd be able to use this machine the whole entire time. Maybe a landscaper or that type of person like that. It's quite a heavy duty machine. I would be quite confident in using this one quite robustly and quite aggressively. Thank you guys. I hope you've enjoyed this content. Like and subscribe. Don't forget to come on over to our Facebook group, Mini Skid Steers Down Under. Pinned to the top is our some additional groups, the buy, swap and sell page and the Derette group.